Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. For a better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about upgrading the database and overview. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. Here's what happens when you release a new version of the app where you have changed the SQLite Helper version number from 1 to 2. First, the user installs the new release of the app and runs it. Second, if this is the first time the user has installed the app, the database doesn't exist, so the SQLite Helper creates it. The SQLite Helper gives the database the name and a version number specified in the SQLite Helper code. Third, when the database is created, the onCreate method in the SQLite Helper is called. The onCreate method includes code to populate the database. Fourth, if the user installed a previous version of the app and accessed the database already exists. If the database already exists, the SQLite Helper doesn't recreate it. Fifth, the SQLite Helper checks the version number of the database against the version number in the SQLite Helper code. If the SQLite Helper version number is higher than the database version, it calls the onUpgrade method. If the SQLite Helper version number is lower than the database version, it calls the onDowngrade method. It then changes the database version number to reflect the version number in the SQLite Helper code. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.